I remember when there was 3 families in this valley. And now, there's only 1 farm left.
Bless us, O Lord, for these gifts for which we are about to receive. We pray too for our dad. Keep him from harm away in the fighting.
I'm sure it's not easy. Just the 3 of you.
He's from the quarry, isn't he?
Yes,
You would never sell the farm.
this is our home.
We thank you for the quarries, for the brave men who work them in the dark, so we can have light.
Last night I heard something.
What did you hear?
There was someone outside in the fields. Who's out here?
I want to help you, Gwen, but I have the quarry to answer to.
Get out! Get out!
I never meant to hurt you. I only ever wanted to protect you.